Customer Portal User Permissions. Welcome to the QuintaDB service. In this video, I will show you how to set permissions for your portal users. Let's take a close to this customer portal. We got three forms and tables: clients, orders, and balance. Authentication type is sign-in required. The user should be registered in portal in order to be able to log in and access it. Several users have already registered on our portal. It's a Manager 1 and Manager 2. Let's see the permissions tab. The both users have full access to forms now. I'm gonna disable the ability to edit and export records and set access to only own records for the Manager 2 user. So, the Manager 2 user sees only his own records in the clients table, and he cannot even edit them. Well, let's deny him access to the clients table completely. As you can see, now the clients form and the table are no longer available for Manager 2, but we can easily return his access at any moment. Please note that the default role for this user is read-only. I can change the user's role and permissions before. I'll give him access to the table. Well, now I can give him access to the table, clicking on Add button. This way you can easily organize access rights for portal users and edit them at any time. See more information on the QuintaDB.com.